Hi everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. How are you guys doing? Hope you guys doing great. God bless your family and everyone's. And today I'm going to share with you guys how I make spaghetti meatball. This is very simple and very easy, and you can get the ingredients everywhere in your place, So, what is the ingredient I'm going to make for this meatballs? I use 3 loaves of white bread. So what I'm going to do, just cut it into a cube, small pieces. Put it in here, and you can add half cup of cool water and let bread soak for about 5 minutes. Jadi sudah 5 menit. Ini rotinya bisa kita mix seperti ini supaya dia larut dengan air. Kemudian saya ada 1 kilo daging sapi cincang. Ini dagingnya digiling, saya beli di supermarket. Kemudian saya akan marinate dengan 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon black pepper, half teaspoon chicken powder, kemudian 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 1 teaspoon Italian seasoning, a bit of oil, 1 egg. And then we mix. You guys can add paprika powder. I just finished mine, so I didn't add today. So mix until they combine. So next, what I'm going to do is make the ball. So I use 1/2 tablespoon of the mold to make it this, make a ball. Kemudian ini ada sedikit sekitar half cup of flour. Kemudian guling sebentar, just roll it in flour and keep it there. If you have an ice cream scoop, you can use an ice cream scoop for make the ball. But the one I have is too big, so I like to use a half teaspoon and roll it in the flour. Ta-da! Cool. Panaskan minyak, kemudian goreng the meatball. Ini setengah bawang bombay saya chop. Sedikit garam, black pepper, saya pakai mushroom, ini optional mau pakai mushroom yang fresh atau yang jam. Kemudian saya pakai spaghetti sauce. Saya kocok-kocok botolnya ini, kasih sedikit air, tambahkan sedikit oregano, Jadi ini hasil akhirnya dari spaghetti meatball. Tinggal taruh sausnya seperti ini. Kemudian taruh mozzarella cheese, optional aja. Okay everyone, so this is the spaghetti today, spaghetti meatball. Thank you for watching, and please give me a spotlight and subscribe. Jangan lupa cek videoku yang lain ya. Thank you for watching. God bless you guys. Selamat mencoba. God bless you.